Hello everyone, it's Sheena. And in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, is it possible to work in a call center if your typing speed is low? Now, to answer the question, technically, yes, you can work in a call center if you type like this. If you type with your two fingers, you can technically work in a call center. Although there are accounts that specifically requires their applicants to have at least maybe 30 to 40 words per minute typing speed. These are accounts that are usually technical and requires their agents to type a lot of things once they are on the floor. So in those with those accounts, you really need to type a lot faster than usual. Well, definitely a lot faster than typing like this. But do I personally recommend that you apply in a call center if you have a slow typing speed? My take on that is really, why not just improve your typing speed? It will make your life easier once you're on the floor. Just imagine when you're typing like this, it takes forever. And besides, improving your typing speed, it takes 2 weeks to a month. 2 weeks to a month, guys, is very short compared to the lifetime, compared to years and years of you typing with your two fingers. If you consistently practice, and there's a lot of free apps online where you can practice your typing skills and you just get better at it, then you're going to be learning it in 2 weeks time, 2 weeks and up to a month. That's really it. If it will make your life easier on the floor, why not do it? Because you see, guys, once you're in the call center, it's going to be a lot of stress, and you don't want your slow typing speed to add to that stress. So why not just learn it? It doesn't take forever to learn and to master your typing speed. The thing about it is really less about the typing speed. It's more about convenience, because when you practice your typing, it actually lets you type without looking at the keyboard. So that's very important. That's exactly what makes you type faster. When you know exactly where certain letters are without looking at the keyboard, it will make your job faster. It will make your life easier once you're on the floor. There's a lot of free tutorials online. And in 2 weeks' time, you're going to be able to type faster than you would. Most importantly, you don't have to look at the keyboard and type like this, because it'll take forever. And the allowed ACW usually is only around 2 minutes. So that's a short time. What if you're sending 200 character email to a customer? And besides, it's free online. The time you invest in learning how to type is going to help you in the long run. So just learn it. Check down the link below, because I'm gonna link some apps where you can practice your typing speed. Okay, so that's it, guys. To summarize, it is not impossible to work in a call center if you have a really slow typing speed. But I don't recommend it, because you can learn how to type fast and well in 2 weeks. So why not just learn it? If you have any questions and suggestions for my next video, comment down below and I will make a video for them in the future. Bye.